Hi friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I'm back again with version X12 in Chief Architect. Let's get started. So here we are today. I'm a bit behind the scene, or behind the times, I guess. But I've upgraded and downloaded version X12 now. In order to do X12 on my MacBook Pro, I had to update to macOS Catalina. Let's go to About This Mac, and Catalina now does still work as far back on this MacBook Pro to late 2013. If you look up Apple's website, I think it even goes back to 2012, something like that. But check your specs and check Apple's website there. Version X12 does require a minimum of macOS Catalina. So I just uploaded, I migrated all of the toolbars and hotkeys, and I just clicked everything when I did the migrate tool. And you can ignore or be mad at or whatever. My daughter's out in the backyard trying to social distance with some friends because, you know, COVID. Let's do not show this. Yes, all these fun new things. Here we go. All right, so I migrated my template, version X11 template, which you can find on my website. I'll put the link down here. We've got all of our annotation sets. Still work. I'm excited to get into some of the new tools here, especially multiple layout pages. That's going to be fantastic. All right, good. That's working well. We've got our dimension defaults over here, our layer sets, our layout sets. Let me stretch this. There we go. I like to see a few more than just 3 lines of the layers. Alrighty. Let's see just quickly. Oh, I forgot to build roof planes. There we go. There we go. Let's see what the rendering looks like. Rendering speed looks fine. We'll do split screen. Looking pretty good. Ray trace. That was 1 pass, 2 pass, 3 passes, 5, 6, 7. Going rather quickly. That's good. Okay. I'm going to check into the new tools here and just see what we want to start on first. So here's a cool feature. We can now, 2 cool features actually. I want this door to be centered between the 2 windows. we're going to add this new door, right? And I want to center it. I'm going to hit this icon right here, or Command G on my Mac keyboard, Control G if you're on a PC. And then I can do this point-to-point center. I could center it in the middle of the room. I could center on this, well, I can't center it on the window. I could center it on this wall, right? Or I could point-to-point center. So I'm going to select my first point is the midpoint of this window here, and you see the A icon at the mouse cursor, and then the B icon, and that centers it between the two windows. Now, see 6 foot 6 3/8 is equal here. I want this to be show equal. I don't want to show the dimensions. I don't want to show the actual numbers. I want to show equal. So I'm going to hit Command E on my keyboard, or Control E on your keyboard if it's a PC. I'm going to, so between extensions 1 and 2, I'm not going to depress the dimension value. I'm going to go between extensions 2 and 3 and suppress the dimension value, and between 3 and 4 and suppress the dimension value. I could also make this 8 foot 0 and 13/16 a blank segment. I'm trying to think why you would use a blank segment, but there you go. You can do a blank segment there. Pretty cool. Check out my YouTube page for channel for more videos in previous versions, tips and tricks of how to use Chief Architect, how to get around things. I did notice, we'll get into this in future videos, tray ceilings is an option in X12. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.